So if you're watching this video, you're looking to build something like Uber, and it could be for two different reasons. One of the reasons could be that you're trying to build something exactly like Uber so that you can launch your business in a place where Uber is not working at the moment. And the other reason that you're not satisfied with the quality of service that people are getting on Uber, or you have something unique that Uber doesn't offer at the moment. So you're trying to build something that can actually compete with Uber by solving the problems that people are facing with Uber. In both the cases, I'm going to help you in build such a solution that you can rely on and you can run your own business just like Uber. So in order to build an application or a business like Uber, there are two different ways you can go about it. The main thing to build in this business is the applications. Those will be used by the customer and the driver. Now, there are two different ways in which you can go about in building the Uber clone application or Uber type of business. Number one would be to actually hire a team of developers, designers, and other specialists. Those can help you in building and scaling up all those features those are needed to be a part of Uber application. The second way would be to utilize one of the ready-made solutions. Those are already available in the market and you can customize them based on your requirements. Now we will go deep down into each of those in just a minute. So on the first scenario, if you're looking to build everything from ground up, you would have to have a massive budget on the development side because you would have to hire developers, designers, and they cost a lot of money. And in my experience building something like Uber, it takes about a year to 2 years to develop this and then test it and go into the beta version to launch it and see how people react to it and how it can be advanced and it can be improved before you can go live with it with actual customers. Now, this process can cost you a couple of $1,000s, and this is not for everybody. But if you are an angel investor, or you're just an investor who is looking to invest in a solution or in a business similar to Uber, this might be something that you would like to go with because it would give you more control on your application and you would be more reliant on the code that you guys develop. So when you're going to go as big as Uber, it's always good to see what kind of code you guys have written and you would be assured that your code is going to be able to control and handle all those millions of users those are going to join your network or join your applications. The second way, which I would probably use myself as well, is to use a ready-made solution. One of the good things about these ready-made app templates or Uber clone applications is that they come with pre-written code and everything, the planning, the structure, and every single thing is already done. Now, when you as a business buy this source code, all you have to do is to make sure that it's accurate, there is no bug in it, there is no fishy thing in it, and then you can run this code as your own business, as your own application for your business. Now, this is something that is really cheap. So building something from ground up would cost you a couple of $1,000s, but when it comes to a ready-made script, the range goes from $2,000 to $5,000, and you can get a pretty decent code set that you can update, you can make some changes to, and you can go ahead and publish it. Now, I do know that you would still need a developer to assist you with it if you're not a developer, but this process is way cheaper and is more convenient for most of the people. And this is not just for the startups, those doesn't have funding, but it can also be used for investors and people or companies those do have funding because it cuts down the cost as well as the time of development. Now, these are two ways that I can think of to build a Uber kind of application. You might want to go with either one of those based on your circumstances and what you think of these suggestions. I hope this video helped you in some way, and if you liked this video and the content that I've shared with you, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about any of the topics that I have discussed in the video, please leave a comment below and I'll be really happy to assist you to reply to your comments. I mostly reply within 24 hours. And if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing to the channel so that if I update or upload any new video in the future related to this topic, you will be the first to get a notification. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.